Hi friends, welcome to Oracle Tutorials. In this video we are going to see the character manipulation function substring. The function substring extracts a string of determined length. Here we can see the syntax for this function substring. Then the parameters string, comma, start position. Then there is an optional field that is length. We will see each parameters in this substring function. First one is a string. Here we have to specify the source string to extract. Next parameter is a start position. So in this start position we have to specify the starting position for extraction. Also, if start position is a negative number, then the substring function starts from the end of the string and counts backwards. Also, we have to keep in mind the first position in the string is always 1. Next is length. This is an optional parameter in this function substring. Here we will specify the number of characters to extract from the string. Suppose we omit this parameter, then the substring function will return the entire string. We will see some examples. Here we can see select substring of Oracle tutorial, 1 from dual. In this query we given two mandatory parameters, that is string and the start position. So here the string is Oracle space tutorial and the start position is 1. Here we did not specify the length parameter, so this function substring will return the entire string. And here we can see the result. It returned Oracle space tutorial. Here we will see another example. Select substring of Oracle tutorial, 2 from dual. Here we can see the start position we given as 2. So it will return the string from the second character onwards from this string Oracle tutorials. Here we can see the result. It shows RACLE space tutorial. Here we can see another example. Select substring of Oracle tutorial, 0 from dual. Here we given the start position as 0. So what happens when we give the start position as 0? This substring function will consider the start position as 1 and it will return the string from the beginning. Here we did not specify the length, so here we can see the result. It returns Oracle tutorial. Now we will execute these queries in our Oracle Express application. Select substring of Oracle tutorial. Here we will give 1 from dual. We will run this query. And here we can see the result. We will rewrite this query. And here we will give start position as 2. So it will start from the second character and it will return this string. We will execute and see this. Here we can see the result. We will try one more query. Here we will give 3. So it should start from this ACLE space tutorial. Here we can see the result. Now we will give the start position as 0 and we will execute. Start position we given as 0. We will run this query. And here we can see the result. It returned Oracle tutorial, the entire string. We will see another example. Select substring of Oracle tutorials, -1 from dual. Here we given the start position as a negative number. So this function substring starts from the end of the string and counts backwards. Here we given the start position as -1 and we did not specify the length. So here we can see the output. It returns the last character from the string oracle tutorial, that is L. We will see one more example using this negative number in the start position. Then we will execute it. Select substring oracle tutorial, comma -8 from dual. Here we have to start from the end of the string and we have to count backwards, and here we can see the result. We get tutorial. Now we will execute these queries. Better I will copy this query, and here we will change this start position as -1, and we will run this query. Here we can see the result. We will see some more examples. Here we will change this start position from -1 to -4, and we will run this query, and here we can see the result. Here we given -4, so we have to count from the end of the string 1 2 3 4, so we got this string here as output. One more we will execute. Here we will give -8. Here we can see the result. Here is another example. Select substring of oracle tutorial, comma 1, comma 6 from dual. Here we given all the parameters. Oracle tutorial is the string, and we given the start position as 1 and the length as 6. What will be the result? So here we have to start from the first character, and the length is 6, so we have to go till the 6th character. Here we can see the result. It's oracle. Here is another example. Select substring of oracle tutorial, comma 1, comma -1 from dual. Here we can see we given the length as a negative number, so it returns a null value. So always keep in mind the substring function returns a string value. If we given a negative number as a length, then the substring function will return a null value. Now we will execute with all the parameters, with all the possibilities. Here we will give comma 1, comma 6. So here we specified the start position and the length, and here we can see the result. Now we will give 0, comma 6. Here also we get oracle because we given this start position as 0. So the function substring will start from the first character till the 6th character. We will see another example. Here we will give -1, comma 1. That means we have to start from the end of this string, and here the length given is 1, so we will get the answer as L. Here we can see the result. We will see another example. Here we will give -8, comma 5. Then we will run this query. Here we given the start position as -8. That means we have to count from the end of the string. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's from the letter T. And here we given the length as 5. So that means we have to get the result TUTOR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to get tutor. We will run it and see. Here we can see the result. Finally, we will see a query with a negative number as the length. So here we are going to give the length as minus any number 3. Then we will run this query, and here we can see it's null. We will see 2 more sample queries using our table employees. Here we can see our table employees. Here is our table. Here we will give a query. Select emb name, comma, our function is a substring of emb name, comma, 1, 3 from table name is employees. We will run this query and we will see the result. Here we can see the result. Here in this result we can see it displays the first 3 characters from the emb name. We are going to see one more query where we are going to use our function substring in the where clause. Here is that. Select emb name, comma, emb salary from employees, where clause, our function is a substring of emb name, comma, 1, 3 equals JAC. We will run this query, and here we can see the result. Here we can see the emb name and emb salary of the employees whose first 3 characters in the emb name is Jack. Question of the day. Select substring of Oracle tutorial for beginners, 21, 5 from dual. What is the output for this query? Your answer you can write in the comment section. So in this video we have seen the character manipulation function substring. Friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. In the next video we will see the character manipulation functions lpad and rpad. So stay tuned. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.